Congress has been in the forefront in this fight against coronavirus pandemic and its various consequences. While Congress President Srimati Sonia Gandhi has written to the PM detailing steps that must be taken to help every section of the society, Sri Rahul Gandhi too has given a number of suggestions for the alleviation of all affected. Here are the 7 demands made by Congress to help those affected by the COVID-19 crisis. 1. Increase testing and provide PPEs to all frontline workers. The only way to check this disease is by aggressive testing. Additionally, personal protection equipment must be provided to frontline workers along with a special financial package for all, including police personnel and Safai Karamcharis. 2. Implementation of Nyay. There is an urgent need for direct cash transfer in the accounts of not only beneficiaries of various schemes but also Manrega labourers as well as every senior citizen, widow and physically challenged person. 3. Salary and credit package. A Rs 2 lakh crore salary and credit package should be given to 4.25 crore MSMEs. 4. Job and pay protection package. This will ensure that the rampant unemployment crisis and the unprecedented salary cuts across the salaried classes can be checked. 5. Financial aid for farmers. Farm crops must be procured at MSP with payment made within 24 hours. Additionally, recoveries of farmer loans should be deferred for a year and the interest on them must be waived off. 6. Safe and free travel for stranded migrant workers. It is imperative that the stranded migrant workers be sent home in a free and safe manner within a period of 15 days. When it was revealed that the Modi government expected the poor helpless workers to pay for their travels, Congress even offered to bear all the train cost for them.
ये विकट हालात देखकर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने निर्णय लिया कि हर प्रदेश में जरूरतमंद श्रमिक भाइयों और बहनों के घर लौटने की रेल यात्रा का खर्च उठाएंगे। हमारे श्रमिक भाई और बहनों को उनके घर तक सुरक्षित वापस पहुंचाने की हमारी प्रेरणा है। इस कर्तव्य को हम मजबूती से निभाएंगे। जय हिंद।
7. Immediate stop on all wasteful expenditures by the government. Congress has demanded that PM Modi should put an embargo on the 20,000 crore rupees Central Vista Beautification Project, the rupees 1.1 lakh crore bullet train project and on the purchase of special planes for the PM. The saved money should instead be spent by giving a 1 lakh crore package to the states for their fight against this disease. This fight against COVID-19 must be a united fight and not a unitary one.